I'm wondering if I can just keep about maybe 30 feet of line, including the leader, just to show that you can catch fish. You don't need to cast way out there all the time. So that's an 8-foot rod, and I've got the leader measured out to 8 feet. There's the fly, the muddler minnow. So that's 8 feet here. And then from there, I'm gonna measure out another, we'll just say 24 or 32. Let's just do 32. So there's 16 feet now. So 8 feet of line on the rod, or 8 feet on the rod, 16 feet of fly line. That makes 24, and then another 8 of the leader to the fly. So that's 32 feet. So that's 32 feet. I'll take a rubber band and I'll just stick it on here somehow so I don't take in any more line. Got him. Saw the pickup. He got me in the junk. All right, had a bunch of junk on that one. He was on briefly, and then I lost him. Okay, again, just fishing with 32 feet of line. All right, let's keep working our way down. There he goes. All right, he's fighting. Big bluegill. Nice. Not very far from the bank, and there, I got it tied off, so I'm only using 32 feet. There he goes. Saw that one come up and swipe at it. So I'm fishing 32 feet of line, but I'm also standing back about another 8 feet, so don't want to spook them. Okay, let's see if we can get another one. Just using 32 feet of line. There we go. Ah, he took it. What is he? Blue gale. Nice. Oh, there's the hit. Oh, nice blue gale. Very nice. There's one. Something was chasing the fishies. So there's another bluegill. Got him. That one was very close to the bank, and I was watching the fly line to see if I got the strike versus any feel of the take. Nice. There he goes. He moved and set the hook. All right. All for now.